Welcome back. The Nifty is down 100 points now, 102 to be precise. There is an IPO which is on for subscription. Gautam Seth is Joint Managing Director of HPL Electric and Power. He joins us right now on the show. Thanks very much, Gautam. Appreciate you coming in. So could you tell us how the issue is doing? I mean, I'm sure you're in touch with your bankers. Today is the last day.
Yeah, that's right. And I think we have seen a very good retail response, including response coming in from the QIBs and the other categories. And I'm sure you are seeing the figures on the sites of the BSE and the NSE. So as of now, it's I think we are already done with it. But as we see more and more response coming, we'll wait and watch till the evening. Yeah.
Okay. You're raising 360 crore, of which 130 crore will be for debt repayment. And a chunk of the other will be for working cap, etc. What will be your debt post the debt repayment, and are you comfortable with it, or do you have plans to further pare it down?
Yeah, we for us 130 crores would be used for repayment of the term debt. The balance 180 crores would go into the for the margin money for the working capital, and so that would bring down our debt considerably, but there would be still...
What would be the number?
Maybe around 200 crores would still be on the books. But going forward, we have already taken certain steps for improving our working capital efficiency. And as the entire process of looking at the stocks and the account receivables, once that happens, so we would again substantially have a good amount of money released, which would again go into reducing the debts.
Who do you sell these meters to, sir?
We have a very wide variety of customers, but majorly about 70 to 75% goes to the utilities. And the balance goes into the, if you see, the real estate segment uses a lot of prepaid meters. We have the institutional industries using it,
but
and the private consumer.
You're saying 80% is to utilities.
Yes, that's
that would include state electricity boards?
Yeah, that includes the state electricity boards as well as the central utilities, like the NTPC and the power grid. Yes.
So state and central utilities would contribute how much?
About, I think it's about 75% in the last year.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have done about, we are 650 crores in meters, and we are India's largest meter manufacturer. In fact, based on the global research reports by Frost & Sullivan, the last two reports puts us as #1, and that covers a period of more than 4 years. So we have been consistently at #1. Our volumes are very high, and in terms of even the breakup of our customers and the spread even on the trade segment, which we normally say is on the B2C segment, we again have a very high share on the trade segment.
But B2C is very small.
Yeah, but still, if you see almost 25 or 20 to 25% on the metering, still on the B2C is quite a large amount.
But you're including builders, etc. in that?
Yes, that includes builders. It includes, but there's a lot of sub-metering market that itself is big as well.
Okay. What's the reason for your EBITDA margins coming down, and is that a trend that will continue?
No, our EBITDA margins on FY16 is at 169 crores. That's 14.2%, which is very comparable with the industry. And over the period, if you see the last few years, we have been able to maintain our EBITDA margins, though our interest cost on the books have been going up. And that's mainly because HPL has invested 230 crores in the last 5 years into building up 3 new manufacturing plants. We have done a lot of automation and upgradation in our manufacturing processes.
What's the capacity utilization you're operating at?
Our capacity utilizations would be somewhere around 60 to 70%, because we have 7 manufacturing units, so each one varies depending on the product line, but on a estimated figure, I can say it's about 60 to 70%, and that is something what we take it as a very significant, as a very positive thing, because going forward, with the kind of growth we see in our sector, with the economy moving up, we can encash those opportunities without going in for a fresh capex. And this is even on a medium-term basis, we don't see any major capex to happen in HPL. So that's again a very positive part for us.
Okay, so we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining in. So that's the IPO, which will be closing today. They are looking to raise about 360 crore. We'll slip into a very short break on the